What's up, everybody? This is Ryan Johnson with moneybass.com, and today we're going to go over shallow water highlight on your Humminbird system using the Lake Master chip. All right, let's get straight to it. All right, it is a little dark in here in the garage, but really all you'll need to be able to see is the screen. The first thing that you need to do is tap your menu button twice, and you will go over to HB chart. Once you get to HB chart, you will scroll down to shallow water highlight. Right now I have that set on 5 feet, and let me go to the map now and show you exactly what that will show you once you get to the map. All right, so just picking a random area on this map, on this lake, and going to zoom all the way in. All right, so here's a nice little island on here. Zoom in on that. So basically on this shallow water highlight, everything that you see in red is 5 feet and below. That brown represents land that is out of water. So if you're running this area with your boat, you want to stay away from that red. So let's zoom back out a little bit. So that kind of gives you an idea of, you may be able to squeeze in between there, but you would want to stay away from that red area so that you don't run onto land and damage your boat or anything like that. And let's see. Let's go back into menu. Want to play around with this setting just a little bit. So go back down to shallow water highlight, and let's bump that up to say 15. And go back out to this map and see how much that changed everything. So now you can see that this red area is the shallow water highlight. Everything in red is going to be your shallow water highlight, and that can kind of help you where you see that long point coming off right there. But you can just use that to set that depth at whatever you feel comfortable. Like I said, most people will use that to stay safe on the lake. Hope this helps you out. Why is shallow water highlight important? Well, the number one reason that people use it is to make sure that they don't run too shallow in the lake and run the risk of messing up their lower unit or damaging their boat or getting hurt on the water. It'll basically help guide you around low areas of the lake. So anything that shows up red, once you set that depth the way you want it, you can use it that way to stay safe on the lake. The other thing that you can use it for, which I don't really think a lot of people take advantage of it the best that they could, is you can use it to find long points, find ledges, other things like that. And that's something that we will get into on the next video. But for this video, I just wanted to show you guys how to quickly go into your settings, set up your shallow water highlight so that you can run the lake safely. Be sure to please hit the like button. I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button also, and the link to the other videos that I did that will coincide with this whenever we go to the next video will be linked in the description. So make sure you read the description, read the comments. There may be some things in the comments that might help you out, might answer a few questions for you if there's something that I didn't mention in the video. Another quick note, there is a version of the software where people were basically putting some information out saying that they were having issues with their shallow water highlight showing up correctly. I'm currently running software version 2.18. I'm not sure what software version was the one that they were having issues with the shallow water highlight, but if any of you guys know, please leave that down in the comments and let the guys know what you did in order to correct that problem. I currently am not having that problem because I haven't updated my units yet. I'm waiting for the following update to come out. All right, guys. See you on the next one.